Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very small video on academic program which we follow for CA Inter regular and crash batches. So I am preparing this video based on request from several students. They just want to know how our academic program will be. First of all, unlike other institutions, Masterminds has a time-tested academic program. I have seen several institutions who doesn't have any academic program, but we are not like that. We have an academic program and it is proven. So this academic program will apply for CA Inter as well as regular as well as crash batches. First of all, let us have a glance of that academic program. This academic program is the result of our 18 years of experience. We just want to share the same with you. Here is our academic program document. Section 1 is related to rework. What is this rework? Our material consists of classroom problems and assignment problems. Whenever we teach one classroom problem, students need to solve corresponding assignment problem. It is not like homework, that is repeating the same problem. No. So we will be giving a problem which is similar to classroom problem, which can be solved by the students on the basis of knowledge of classroom problem. So that is called rework. Section 2 will be with respect to written work, that is work to be done after completion of chapter. It's called written work. We'll be given some additional problems called additional problems for self-practice at the end of the chapter. So it has to be done as written work. Work to be done at the end of the chapter is called written work. Additional information relating to rework and written work in section 3. Section 4, target percentage of marks. So what is this target percentage of marks? A student is set to get qualified in our internal exams only if he achieves this target percentage of marks. So that is section 4 is all about. Section 5, matters related to exams. It's a very lengthy section. All the information related to various exams that we are going to conduct will be discussed in this section. Section 6 will be revision exams and study hours. Everybody is aware that in Masterminds we will be conducting revision exams and study hours immediately after completion of syllabus. That is with respect to section 6. Section 7, applicable questions and problems for the above stated exams. So for these exams, what are the questions students need to prepare? What are the questions that can be taken as choice? Section 8, instructions to exam cell for preparing question papers. So this is purely for our examination cell. That is what questions can be given, what questions shall not be given in the question papers. Section 9 is miscellaneous matters related to academic program. So it's totally a 19-page document. You can see it's a 19-page detailed document. It is the result of our 18 years of experience. That is the value of experience. So that is how we prepared our detailed academic program. Let us see what are the highlights of our academic program. So our experience, whatever the academic program document you have seen right now, this is the result of relentless efforts in our 18 years of experience. So we have 18 years of experience and expertise in CA CMA courses, 19th year is running. Finished 135 batches of CA Inter in Guntur and finished similar number of batches in all our branches together. That means we might have learned so many things from these many number of batches. Completed 13 batches of CMA Inter, 14th and 15th batches are running right now. Right now we are dealing with more than 150 batches of various courses in Zoom platform. So unique target percentage of marks. One of the highlights of our academic program is unique target percentage of marks. For each batch we will be giving a different set of target percentage. And even our software is so much advanced that even if we can give one separate target percentage of marks to each student also. So that's how our software has been designed. So best and updated materials. We spend a lot on our materials. In terms of time as well as money, we spend a lot. We have a policy of providing updated materials for each session. We have a team of 30 staff including faculty supporting staff to update our materials. To maintain this many staff, we need to spend lakhs of rupees. No problem, we are ready to spend. So for us, quality is important. No other institution is ready to spend this much on providing updated materials. It will take at least 4 to 5 months for us to update all our materials. So for every session, we will be spending 4 to 5 months in updating our materials. We have started this work in the month of August itself. You might have already experienced the quality of our materials at foundation level. You can expect still better quality of materials to be provided at our CA Inter level. We will even provide fast track and MCQ materials for all the theory subjects. I think everybody is aware at CA Inter level, MCQs will also be asked in the public exam along with descriptive questions. That's why we will be providing fast track and MCQ materials for all theory subjects. I have seen several institutions who don't even provide such materials to the students. Ours is the only institute to provide both fast track as well as MCQ materials. We will even provide Discover booklet for all the students. What is this Discover booklet? It is a compilation of all past examination questions of at least 10 previous attempts. We have provided similar booklet at our foundation level also. So with that Discover booklet, you can analyze the past examination trends and can mold your preparation. So vote of hands feedback on daily basis. Every day we will be taking feedback from the students. When we conduct the classes physically, we will collect the same physically. So when we conduct the classes through online, we will collect such feedback through Zoom platform. Chapter and feedback. Immediately after completion of chapter, our staff will be collecting the feedback. If it is physical classes, we will be collecting physically. If it is online classes, we will be collecting through Google Forms. So medium of teaching. All our faculty of Vizag and Hyderabad will teach 100% English. Coming to remaining locations, 80 to 90% will be, more than 80% of our faculty will teach 100% in English. So at least 20% faculty will be there who will be teaching 80 to 90% in English and remaining 10 to 20% in Telugu. That means majority of our faculty will be teaching 100% in English. So that Telugu is being used only for better understanding of the students. It's not like our faculty cannot teach in English. There will be some subjects where it is required to teach at least some examples in Telugu. That is why we are still continuing with the 10 to 20% of Telugu. So our faculty team, in Guntur alone, we have a team of more than 32 faculty members to teach various subjects of CA Inter alone. In all our branches put together, we have a similar team of faculty for CA Inter. So totally there are 8 papers in CA Inter, but we will be dealing with 12 specialized faculty members for each batch. So for each batch, at least 12 faculty members will be coming to deal with various subjects. So I'm talking about Guntur. As far as branches are concerned, this many faculty will not be there. For each subject, we have specialized faculty. Some subjects will be taught even by multiple faculties. For example, if you take accounts and advanced accounting in Guntur, so for each batch, we will be allocating at least 3 to 4 faculty members. That means each faculty will have specialized knowledge in some selected chapters, not even subject, selected chapters, and they will be dealing with those chapters. With this, students can get the benefit of specialization. Some of our CA Inter faculty will even teach for CA final level students. That means you can get the benefit of CA final level faculty for CA Inter level itself. Each and every faculty offers is either qualified CA or CMA or a subject expert with rich experience. Majority of them are qualified CA or even dual qualified. Experience of each faculty in our team is ranging from 6 to 10 years. Each of the faculty members have been teaching with CA Inter with us from the past several years. Majority of our faculty are into practice also. That means you will get practical knowledge also in the classroom itself. You cannot find this many number of faculties in any other organization. Majority organizations manage with 6 to 8 faculty members. But you can see in our Guntur alone, we have around 32 faculty members dealing with CA Inter. So perfect tracking on syllabus completion. So we have a wonderful track record of syllabus completion on a scheduled time in all our earlier batches. We have a fixed document of allotted hours. That means how many hours in which each chapter has to be taught by each faculty. So based on that, we can easily assess when the syllabus is going to be completed. So every week we'll prepare a document on expected date of syllabus completion and we will be informing the same to the students. A copy of allotted hours document will even be provided to students. So I have seen several institutions who don't even have such kind of document. For every 15 days, we'll revise pending syllabus statement also. Generally, we'll be providing the same for weekly once. In rare cases, we'll be providing the same in 15 days. For CA Inter regular batches, we'll teach chapter in similar number of hours for pre-results as well as post-results batches. Everybody knows in CA Inter regular batches, there will be 2 types of batches, pre-results and post-results. For each chapter, the number of hours allotted are same for pre-results as well as post-results. That is why we will take same number of months for syllabus completion in pre and post-results batches. In several institutions, pre-results batches will be taught in 7 months and post-results batches will be taught in 5.5 to 6 months. That means they are not going to teach some areas in post-results batches. That means they are going to speed up the teaching in post-results batches when compared to pre-results batches. Such kind of issues will never happen in masterminds. For each chapter, we will be teaching in same number of hours for pre-results as well as post-results batches. number of hours of teaching as far as regular batch is concerned. We will teach regular batch in 1500 to 1700 teaching hours. Unlike other institutions, we will teach in same number of hours for the students of pre and post results batches. In metros, various institutions will teach the same regular batch in just 1000 hours. Even though they name it as regular batch, they run it in the format of crash batch. So please be careful while choosing such institutions. Unlike other institutions, we will teach everything in a detailed manner. That's why we are expecting 1500 to 1700 teaching hours. So coming to number of teaching hours for crash batches, we will teach each crash batch in 550 to 575 hours. So in metros, we have seen several institutions who will be giving coaching for crash batch in just 450 hours. But ours is 550 hours of coaching. That means we will be teaching each and every concept in a detailed manner, even in case of crash batches also. Our crash batches are almost similar to that of regular batches. What will happen if government allows all colleges to open? Till the vaccination process is completed, we will teach classes using Zoom platform only. After vaccination, we will continue classes in physical mode for students who are willing to attend the classes physically. Some students may not show interest to attend the classes physically. For the benefit of those students, we will continue online classes also. In other words, after vaccination, we will continue both physical as well as online classes. So we personally feel that physical classes are far better than online classes. By this time, several students might have understood that physical classes are far better. The level of discipline and attention levels of physical classes will be far better than online classes. So keep this point in mind while taking the decision, because very soon vaccine may come. There are some institutions who run completely on online basis. So after completion of vaccination, what is the need for continuing in online classes? We can switch over to physical classes. But the problem is there are some institutions who don't run the college physically. They don't have even a campus. They run only in online mode. In such a case, you will be losing a lot. So you need to continue in online mode till the end. That is why you please choose the institutions carefully. So there are some institutions who offer all the services in online only, and they will not even have any permanent campuses or premises. If you join in those organizations, then they will not conduct any classes physically even after completion of vaccination. I think it's a bad thing. Better not to join in such kind of institutions, as you will miss the advantages of physical classes. They will not even be able to conduct revision exams and study hours physically because they will not have any campuses. Following are some of the advantages of physical classes. Peer group learning, you need to learn several things from peer groups, that is co-students. Interaction with co-students, as such, you can improve your communication skills. Discipline and attention levels are very high in physical classes when compared to online classes. Study hours and revision exams conducted in college premises will be far better than that of home preparation. So weekend exams, we will cover the chapters completed in the recent week. We have seen several institutions who don't have a policy of conducting any exams also. So at foundation level, you might have experienced what is the advantage of writing numerous number of exams. Without writing numerous number of exams, you will not get expected result in your public exam. As you write more number of exams, you can learn presentation skills, time management skills, which are very important and which are very much required to write public exams in the best possible manner. As you write more number of exams, you will get rid of exam fear and you can write the public exams in a still better manner. So very few institutions have the policy of conducting such examinations. Please confirm the same before taking admission into any other institution. All the exam papers of our weekend exams will be valued by our staff. During physical classes, we will conduct the exams physically, since we have all the infrastructure readily available, and we will return back the valued papers after a completion of valuation. During online classes, we will evaluate the papers digitally and we will provide a valuation report after completion of valuation. That means either it is physical classes or online classes, exams will be conducted and valuation will be done. So another great advantage of our institution is after completion of valuation, we will send even marks SMS to mobile number. For doing all those things, we need a wonderful software to take care of all such issues. So luckily we have a customized software to take care of all those issues. Rework in some selective subjects like accounting, costing and advanced accounting, as I've already told. So there will be classroom problems and there will be corresponding assignment problems. Immediately after completion of one classroom problem, you need to solve corresponding assignment problem related to the same. Now, by doing assignment problems, you will get enough practice to handle a new problem in the exam. Don't forget that even if you solve 100 problems in the exam, you need to face one or one problem in the exam. That's why, my dear students, rework is mandatory. That will help you to solve new problems very comfortably. But unfortunately, there is no other institution in South India which maintains the concept of rework. So written work in some selective subjects, same is the case. There is no other institution in South India which understands the importance of written work. So distribution of workbook solutions. Just like in your CA foundation, immediately after completion of chapter, we will distribute workbook solutions. That workbook solutions consists of solutions to all the assignment problems. Cumulative exams on Wednesday. So we will be conducting cumulative exams to the crash batch students from the date of conducting physical classes. Chapter and feedback. At the end of each chapter, we will be taking feedback from the students. Vote of friends feedback on daily basis. Prize distribution. Those who shows best performance in our internal exams, prize distribution will be done so as to encourage them. Of course, it will be done from the date of conducting physical classes. Performance report. We have a wonderful software to generate the performance report and provide the same to the students. For every 15 days, we will provide a copy of performance report to you. That means for every 15 days, you can assess where your performance stands, and based on that, you can make necessary changes in your performance. Every month, we will post a copy of performance report to our parents. But problem is, to do all these things, we require a dedicated software. Fortunately, Masterminds is the only institute to provide such kind of software also. So, doubts clarification and personal care on each and every student. In the last 5 minutes on each class, you can directly interact with the faculty and can clarify your doubts. So we have a dedicated Telegram channel to clarify your doubts. So doubts clarification sessions will be conducted even through Zoom platform. Masterminds is the only institute to conduct such kind of sessions. So you can directly interact with any of our directors. We'll be providing the contact numbers of all our directors to you directly. And on any day, you can directly interact with any of our directors. So frequently, your directors will also be interacting with you directly. So I think at foundation level, you might have experienced that the directors will be interacting with you directly. Revision exams and study hours batches. Masterminds is the only institute in South India to conduct revision exams and study hours after completion of syllabus. At foundation level, you might have experienced the importance of revision exams and study hours, and you can experience the same at CA Inter level also. If any other institution says that they will also conduct revision exams and study hours, that means they are simply copying Masterminds. So as far as South India is concerned, Masterminds is the only institute to conduct study hours and revision exams after completion of syllabus. For pre-results batches, students of CA Inter regular batches will be conducting these kind of revision exams and study hours for 2.5 to 3 months, whereas for post-results batch students will be conducting the same for 1.5 to 2 months. One set of pre-final exams will also be conducted as a part of revision exams for all regular batch students. Masterminds has rich experience and expertise in conducting revision exams and study hours. Every year, thousands of students will be coming to Masterminds just to join revision exams and study hours. That is the expertise that Masterminds has in conducting revision exams and study hours. We will conduct the study hours and revision exams physically, because by the time syllabus gets completed, so this vaccination process, everything gets finished. Of course, before that itself, vaccination process may get completed, because very soon vaccine may come. So please be sure with respect to this service. So several institutions which does not have even administrative campus, which offers all the services only through online, cannot offer the services of revision exams and study hours, because for conducting exams and study hours, we need permanent campuses. So if an institution does not have any such campuses, then how can they offer revision exams and study hours? They may say that they will conduct. Most probably they will conduct at home. That means study hours will be conducted right from your home. What is the use of such study hours? By this time, you might have understood what will be your seriousness of preparation at your home. So preparation will be serious only at our college premises. So that's why you better choose an institution which have permanent establishment like Masterminds. They may plan to conduct such revision exams and study hours at home itself. Everyone knows how such revision exams and study hours will be productive if they are conducted at your home. So you better ask them to show the campuses at the time of joining itself. In case of Masterminds, we have all the infrastructure readily available in all our branches to conduct revision exams and study hours physically. So frankly speaking, from this November itself, November 2020 itself, we are going to start revision exams and study hours physically. We are not even waiting for vaccination. We are, of course, we are not opening our campuses for the sake of conducting classes, because in case of study hours and revision exams, social distancing will be maintained, so it's easy to conduct the revision exams and study hours. So from November 2020 itself, we have decided to open our campuses for conducting revision exams and study hours. So by the time your syllabus gets completed, we will damn sure of conducting revision exams and study hours. So separate schedules will be provided for the students of both groups, Group 1 and Group 2. For all the schedules, we will conduct 2 revision exams a week, that is one on Wednesday and another on Sunday. We will evaluate your exam papers and return the same to you. We have a team of 200 plus trained valuationists. Other institutions which does not even have permanent infrastructure may also promise to conduct the same. But it's up to you to believe whether to believe such institutions or not. For example, if I don't have any permanent infrastructure and if I say that I will conduct revision exams and study hours, you better don't believe me also. After completion of valuation, we will even send marks SMS to your mobile numbers, because we have a software which can readily handle the same. At the time of conducting study hours, we will even provide supporting faculty for doubts clarification. Masterminds is the only institute to provide this service. We have a team of 15 dedicated and full-time staff and all infrastructure readily available to prepare the question papers in the perfect manner. All the question papers of weekend exams and revision exams will be prepared by the faculty directly. So we don't have a policy of preparing the question papers with subordinates. So our faculty will directly prepare the question papers of all the internal exams, including revision exams. We have a team of another 20 full-time staff members who take care of valuation related works. Check if that many staff members are really available in other institutions also. It's very easy to make fake promises, but it's very difficult to keep up those promises. So we are not promising that we will do all these things. We have already proven all these things. We have been conducting all these things for our CA Foundation also. And everybody knows that our CA Foundation academic program is also very much similar to this. For running all the above services successfully and smoothly, one has to employ a large number of staff. Institutions which does not have experience of running physically will not be able to provide the services to you in a proper manner. So we'll be doing counseling of students who get failed in revision exams. Of course, it will be done after opening the classrooms physically. For all CA Foundation students, we have already conducted revision exams in a successful manner. You know it very well. You can expect us to conduct CA inter-revision exams in a still better manner, because CA inter-revision exams and study hours will be conducted physically. So size chances, at the end, immediately after completion of each exam, including weekend exams, we will be providing size chances, and everybody knows that we have a similar policy at Foundation also. Counseling of students who get absent to exams. If in case of any other institution, you have to blindly believe the promises made by them, and you don't know whether they will keep up their promise or not. But as far as Masterminds is concerned, there is one advantage. You might have already done your CA Foundation in Masterminds, and we might have done all these services at Foundation level itself. That means there is no question of fake promises in this. You have already experienced this academic program being implemented at Foundation level. And what we are saying is, we will implement still better academic program at CA inter level, because very soon vaccine is going to come and things will come into physical mode very soon. Counseling of students who get failed in the exams from the date of conducting physical classes will do this service. Customized software. So till now we have spent more than 1 crore rupees on our customized software. And remember, this is not a ready-made software which any other institution can purchase. This is completely customized software which is developed exclusively to Masterminds. To take care of our academic program, we have a customized software. I can proudly say that no other CA coaching institute in South India is having a similar software of this nature. So to all our students, we have shared our academic program. Even at our CA Foundation level itself, we have shared our academic program. If you would like to join in some other institution, then ask them to give their academic program document also. Study the document in a detailed manner, compare the same with that of Masterminds, and then come to a conclusion who is doing better service to the students. If we get only 30 admissions, then we will say that limited admissions of 30. But we will not say like that, because we know that several students love Masterminds and several students love to join in Masterminds. In such a case, how can we limit ourselves to 30 or 40? In Guntur, we will split the students in multiple batches. In all our branches also, if need arises, we are ready to split into multiple batches. Everyone will say that they will run the academic program in a wonderful manner, but the problem is they cannot show any evidences. But in case of masterminds, we have wonderful evidence. First evidence is our CA Foundation coaching itself. Majority things that we told here, we have already done at our CA Foundation level. So you have live experience of our academic program. Our results speak loud and clear. Before joining an institution, check their track record of results. If they are unable to show the results similar to that of masterminds, then why shall you take risk of joining in such inexperienced institution when you can join in masterminds with such a rich experience? CA Inter course is challenging to handle. Better to avoid institutions without experience. In CA Inter, failure leads to failure because your first attempt, you will be giving your first attempt after 9 to 10 months of preparation. But if you get failed in that first attempt, your subsequent attempt has to be given in just a matter of 2.5 months. When you are unable to qualify in 9 to 10 months of time, how can you qualify in just 2.5 months of time? As a result, failure leads to failure. That's why, my dear students, your regular batch coaching is very important. Choose it wisely. When it comes to faculty, you prefer experienced faculty and will avoid new faculty. For example, if I send a new faculty, you will simply reject such faculty. Similarly, avoid institutions which does not have experience. Only prefer the institutions with vast experience. Experience of faculty is different. Experience of institution is different. Institution must have experience. So what will happen if you join in pre-results batch and fail in CA Foundation? Will you be able to continue CA Foundation in that institution? Think of in that angle also. So you have to choose an institution which offers coaching right from CA Foundation to CA Final. Prefer those kind of institutions only. Every year, several new institutions come to do experiments on students. In our experience, we have seen that every year 4 to 5 new institutions will come and they will be leaving the industry in just 2 to 3 years. What about the future of the students who joined in those 2 to 3 years of period? It is the students who shall choose wisely and shall be careful. There is nothing to blame the institute. They will keep on doing experiments on you. Why shall you take risk in joining an organization with lesser experience than us? If at all you would like to join for CA Inter in some other organization other than masterminds, then please choose an organization with more experience than masterminds. Why to choose an institution with lesser experience? Why to take risk? So what is the evidence of the quality of services being provided by masterminds? Our first evidence is 18 years of experience. So in this 18 years of experience, we might have learned several things and there are very less chances of committing some mistakes. Whereas in case of inexperienced institutions, there are very good chances of occurring various mistakes. So we have secured 88 All India ranks at IPCCR CA Inter level in last 7 years. That is in just 14 attempts. So on an average, we are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even nearer to these results. Our students have secured 41 All India ranks at IPCCR CA Inter level in just 3.5 years or 7 attempts. So on an average, our students are getting around 12 ranks per annum or 6 ranks per attempt. No other institution in AP and Telangana is even nearer to these results. So our students have achieved All India 4th, 5th and 6th ranks in IPC and CA Inter, that is single digit ranks. So 2000 CA final admissions in November 2019 session itself. That means 2000 CA final admissions for single attempt, single 6 months of time. So you know pretty well that it's not so easy to gain the confidence of CA final students. When we are able to gain the confidence of that many number of CA final students, that indicates the quality of services that we are providing. We are not best in terms of admissions and ranks alone. We are best in terms of number of students who are qualifying IPCCR CA Inter exams. In each attempt, nearly 2000 students of IPCCR CA Inter are getting qualified. And the best part is, we have a policy of uploading the details of all the students in our Facebook account. You can check the same at any time. In February and August 2019 CA Inter and IPCC results, 4,000 students of masterminds have qualified either both or single group in one single institution, that is masterminds. No other institution in South India has got this kind of track record. We have uploaded the details of all the students in our Facebook account also. In each attempt, nearly 1,000 students of CA final are getting qualified. We can proudly say that all the above students have attended our service of revision exams and study hours. So revision exams and study hours is one important facility of masterminds with which we are able to see wonderful results. So it is like our flagship program. Our old student Guram Praneeth has achieved All India first rank in CA final results of November 2019 attempt, thanks to our Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu to facilitate him. Even our admin advisor Mohan Garu has felicitated the student. So 3 All India first ranks in just 1 year, that is 2020 year alone. 180 All India ranks in CA-CMA courses in the last 3 attempts. This does not include MEC results. Achieved more than 860 ranks in all levels of CA-CMA courses till now. This does not include our MEC ranks. Achieved 6 single-digit ranks in CA-CMA results of 2018-19. So first rank for 44 times in various courses for which we offer coaching. All these wonderful results show the quality of services that we are offering. So my dear students, it's a sincere request. We are not doing any promises. We have already proven ourselves. Whatever the academic program that I have explained to be followed for CA inter regular and revision batches, crash batches, we are already following the same for our CA foundation. So you have already experienced the quality of our services at CA foundation level. Based on that experience, you take a wise decision for your CA inter level. All the best.